Good day everyone. Today, I would like to introduce our selected company, Bekvana. Bekvana is a small-scale food manufacturing business that specializes in producing homemade banana cakes. The company focuses on delivering quality products that are affordable and suitable for various groups of customers, including students, working adults, and families. Bekvana operates with a simple organizational structure consisting of a manager, bakers, and a kitchen helper. Each employee plays an important role in ensuring that the production process runs smoothly and efficiently. The main product offered by Bekvana is banana cake, which is produced through a standardized process involving ingredient preparation, mixing, baking, cooling, and packaging. By maintaining consistency in production, Bekvana is able to provide customers with product that meets quality expectations. Therefore, effective cost management is important to maintain profitability and support future business growth. Bekvana activities are suitable example for applying managerial accounting concepts such as activity-based costing, job order costing, and process costing, which will be discussed in the following sections.
In this section, I will discuss the industry and the product analysis of Bekvana. Bekvana specializes in producing the banana cake made from the fresh ingredients such as the red banana, flour, sugar, egg, butter, and milk. The cakes are popular because they are so delicious, affordable, and suitable for all the age group. The target market includes the students, working adults, families, retail outlets, and the customers who order the cake for the special event, such as the birthday and celebration. The Bekvana operates in Malaysia bakery industry, which continues to grow due to the increasing demand for convenient, ready-to-eat food products. However, the industry also faces challenges such as the strong competition and rising the raw material costs. When purchasing the bakery product, customers usually will consider the taste, freshness, quality, price, packaging, and hygiene. Therefore, Bekvana focuses on maintaining the high product quality and customer satisfaction. Today, I will explain the activity-based costing method that used by the Bekvana in producing the banana cake. ABC is a costing method that allocates overhead costs based on the activity performed during the production. Compared to the traditional costing method, ABC provides a more accurate cost information because the costs are assigned according to the actual resource uses. This can help the Bekvana to improve the cost control and make a better business decision. The first step in ABC is identifying the activity. Bekvana has a 5 main activity, which is ingredient preparation, machine and area setup, mixing and baking, packaging, and also quality inspection. Each activity uses different resources and contributes differently to the total production cost. The second step is identifying a cost driver. Cost drivers are factors that cause the cost to increase or decrease. For the ingredient preparation, the cost driver is the number of production batch. For the machine and area setup, it is the number of setup. For mixing and baking, it is oven hours. For the packaging, it is the number of baked cake. Lastly, for quality inspection, it is the number of inspection. The third step is determining the cost per related overhead costs are grouped according to each activity. The annual cost per are Rm 1,200 for ingredient preparation, Rm 1,560 for machine and area setup, Rm 9,000 for mixing and baking, Rm 2,160 for packaging, and also Rm 30,840 for quality inspection. The total annual overhead cost is Rm 44,760. The quality inspection has the highest cost because it involves a supervision and also continuous quality monitoring. Finally, the Bekvana calculates overhead allocation rate for each activity. This rate allows the overhead cost to be assigned more accurately based on the actual activity uses.
Now I will be presenting the job order costing. Job order costing is a costing method used to determine the total cost of a specific production batch. This method is suitable for Bekvana because the company produces banana cakes in scheduled batch, and each batch requires direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. For 1 month of production, Bekvana produced 900 of banana cakes. and the direct material cost is 14,940, and the direct labor cost is 5,100, and the manufacturing overhead cost is 3,730. Therefore, the total job order costing is 23,770. Based on the calculation, direct material cost is the largest cost component. This shows that ingredient costs have a significant impact on the overall production cost. Therefore, proper inventory management and reducing material wastage are important to improve profitability. Job order costing help management determine selling price, prepare budget, and make better profit planning decisions.
Next, I will be explaining the process costing method used by Bekvana. Process costing is suitable for Bekvana because the company produces a large number of identical banana cakes using the same production process. Since each cake uses similar ingredients, labor, and overhead costs, it is more practical to accumulate costs by process rather than by individual products. The production process consists of 5 main stages, which are ingredient preparation, mixing, baking, cooling, and packaging. During the month, Bekvana produced and completed 900 banana cakes with no ending work in process inventory. The total production cost consists of direct materials of 14,940 ringgit, labor of 5,100 ringgit, and manufacturing overhead of 3,730 ringgit, giving a total production cost of 23,770 ringgit. Using the weighted average method, the cost per equivalent unit was calculated at 26 ringgit 41 cent per cake. This information helps management determine production cost accurately, evaluate efficiency, and make better pricing and profitability decisions.
Okay, so my part I will be presenting session 4.0, which is risk calculation and product costing. This session focuses on identifying and calculating all costs involved in producing Bekvana's, which is banana cakes. Okay, so the purpose is to ensure the company can accurately determine its production costs and make better pricing and profit decisions. Okay, so first is 4.1, which is direct material costs. So direct materials are the raw ingredient used to produce banana cakes. Total material cost is 14,940 ringgit for 900 cakes. Butter contributes a higher cost, which is 7,650 ringgit, followed by bananas and eggs. Material cost is important because it directly affects product quality and profitability. Second is 4.2, which is direct labor cost. So direct labor refers to workers directly involved in producing the cakes. Bekvana employs 2 bakers and 1 kitchen helper. Labor is essential for ingredients preparation, baking, machine monitoring, and packaging. So the efficient workers help reduce production errors and improve productivity. So next is 4.3, which is manufacturing overhead costs. So for the manufacturing overhead consists of indirect production costs. These costs cannot be directly traced to individual cakes. The manager's salary is the largest overhead cost, and electricity is also significant because ovens and machines operate continuously during production.
For the next part, I will explain section 4.4 to 4.7, which cover fixed cost, period cost, total monthly cost summary, and cost per unit calculation. Firstly, Bekvana incurred a total monthly fixed cost of 3,250 ringgit. This consists of shop rent of 2,500 ringgit, insurance of 150 ringgit, equipment depreciation of 400 ringgit, and internet or POS subscription cost of 200 ringgit. Secondly, Bekvana also incur a monthly period cost amounting to 1,200 ringgit. This includes social media advertising, sales promotion, phone and Wi-Fi expenses, as well as delivery apps commissions. After combining all production and operating costs, Bekvana's total monthly cost is 28,200 ringgit. To determine the cost per unit, the total monthly cost of 28,200 ringgit is divided by the monthly production volume of 900 banana cakes. Therefore, the cost per banana cake is 31 ringgit and 35 cents per unit. This cost information is very important because it helps management set an appropriate sales price, ensure profitability, and make a better decision making.
For pricing decision, costing information helps Banana determine a suitable selling price. Based on our calculation, the total cost per banana cake is 31 ringgit and 36 cents. To achieve a profit margin of 20%, the recommended selling price is 38 ringgit per cake. If all 900 cakes are sold, Big Banana is expected to earn monthly profit of 5,980 ringgit. Therefore, costing information helps management set a selling price that is both profitable and competitive. For cost control, costing information helps Big Banana identify major cost components and areas that require improvement. The analysis shows that direct materials account for 62.85% of total production costs, making it the largest cost category. Butter alone contributes more than half of the total material costs. Therefore, management can focus on reducing material wastage, improving inventory control, and negotiating with suppliers to lower costs and improve profitability.
Okay, next I'm going to continue the managerial and decision analysis. So for 5.3 is profit planning. So profit planning helps Big Banana determine a suitable selling price. A 20% profit margin is added to the cost per cake. Selling all 1900 cakes at 38 ringgit each generates 34,200 revenue ringgit. After deducting total cost, the company earns 5,680 ringgit profit per month. Okay, next is 4.5.4, which is production efficiency. So production efficiency measures how effectively resources are used. Each worker produces approximately 300 cakes per month. Directly, material cost is the higher production cost, so reducing wastage and increased profits. Proper scheduling, machine maintenance, and inventory control help improve efficiency. So based on the analysis, Big Banana is able to control its production cost effectively, generate an estimate monthly profit of 5,000 and 1,980 ringgit, and maintain efficient production or 1,900 banana cakes per month.
Next, I will present the future business planning. Based on the analysis, Big Banana has proposed 3 future business strategy. First is cost reduction strategy. Since direct material cost is the highest production cost, Big Banana can reduce expenses through bulk purchasing of the raw material, better inventory management using the first in first out method, and reducing utility and manufacturing overhead costs. Second is market expansion. Big Banana can expand its customer base by increasing retail distribution channel, strengthen digital marketing activity through the social media platforms, and offering event and bulk order service to generate the additional revenue. Lastly, operation improvement. The company can improve operation efficiency by implementing standard operation procedure, providing employee training and development, and adopting digital inventory and sales management system. This strategy can help Big Banana to reduce the cost, increasing sales, improve efficiency, and support long-term business growth.
Next, I will explain the most suitable costing method for Big Banana based on the evaluation of 3 costing methods, which are activity-based costing, job order costing, and process costing. Process costing is the most suitable choice for Big Banana. This is because Big Banana produces banana cake using a continuous production system where the product have similar ingredients, production step, and quality standards. Therefore, process costing matches the company's production nature because the products are standardized and produced in batch. Compared to activity-based costing, process costing is easier and more practical because ABC requires detailed tracking of activities and higher administrative effort. Job order costing is also less suitable because it focuses more on customized products or individual orders. Overall, process costing provides reliable cost information that helps Big Banana in setting prices, controlling costs, and making better business decisions. Therefore, it is the best costing method for Big Banana.